Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit, relationship. In this we will study today nurturing friendship. Hello students of Standard 6. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit of my English reader Thrill in School Life with a new topic, Girl Gang. Dear students, now let us read the story about the friendship of a group of girls and how they help each other to solve their problem. Girl Gang. It was Saturday afternoon. The narrator, her name is Alice. She was allowed to go out shopping on her own on Saturday afternoon. She was sitting on a train and she was coming back to home, and she was quite unaware how dramatically her life was about to change. A girl named Christy was also in the same train. She was the classmate of the narrator, but Christy has never even said hello to her, and this wasn't a surprise for the narrator. When in the train they were traveling, the ticket collector came and asked for the ticket. Alice, the narrator, showed her ticket. Then she watched Christy. Christy started searching her ticket. The ticket collector waited impatiently. Christy said that she has lost her ticket. The ticket collector then said that she has to buy another one. To this, Christy replied that she haven't got any money with her. Then the ticket collector said then he shall have to send her to the authority. Christy started begging and said, "Please don't do that." Next day, that is on Monday, Christy ignored the narrator as usual. So did practically everyone else. Dear students, let us read the story about the friendship of a group of girls and how they help each other to solve their problem. Girl Gang. The story is about a girl named Alice and her gang. After school, it was the habit of narrator to do her homework in the library, and she was about to go home when Christy rushed past and said, "If old sore breath comes looking for her, say to him that you haven't seen her." To this, narrator said, "What?" Christy again replied, "You haven't seen her." Then she was gone. After some moment, the old sore breath is their teacher, Mr. Sawyer, who was teaching them geography. He was panting. Panting means he was breathing very heavily. He was wearing huge glasses and had greasy straw-colored hair. There were many students to whom he always picked on, and one of them was Christy. He asked the narrator whether she has seen Christy gone past. To this, the narrator replied, "No, sir." He again asked, "Are you sure?" Again, the narrator replied in affirmation, "No, sir." But the teacher said, "That's impossible. It means that you are also involved in this," and said to the narrator to follow him. The narrator followed the teacher, and what did she saw? All the maps and displays were in pieces on the floor. The whole classroom was wrecked. The teacher asked, "Look, do you know anything about this?" Again the narrator said no. Again he further asked, "Are you sure, Alice?" To this narrator replied that she have been in library and he can talk or ask to Mr. Dawson. To this the teacher replied, "Whoever has done this deserves to be punished. Now I will ask you again, did you see Christy running away?" My face becomes reddened. In a way, the narrator hated lying to him, but she couldn't tell on someone, so she said she didn't. He looked suddenly weary and very tired, but the narrator couldn't help feeling a twinge of sympathy for him, means the unpleasant emotion for a short period. She was feeling bad that she has said not the correct things to the teacher. Now, here we end our today's session. We will continue this story in our next session. Dear students, based on our today's session, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.